could not get past my flame until he called my name. I'm so glad he changed me. Darkness held me down, but Jesus pulled me out, and I'm no longer bound. I'm so glad he changed me. See, I'm now a new creation in Christ. The old has gone, there's new life. I live by faith.
Awitan kita, awitan kita, at pupurihin Panginoon, kay buti mo sa amin. Kasi napakabuti mo. Tululungan at kita. Ito pa napakabuti mo. Napakabuti mo. Di ka nagbabago. Noon ngayon. May oras ka ba sa Diyos? O may Diyos ka lang kapag may oras ka? Nowadays, diba?
Parang tumagsagan yung tayo.
Simula pa lang. Tayo lumalayo. Pero one thing that we should be reminded of, that this world is so busy this time.
Yes.
Sobrang abala na po ng bawat tao at nakalimutan na po nila yung nagbigay ng buhay. Dahil hindi po tayo binigyan ng Diyos ng buhay para lang maghanap buhay. Binigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng buhay para ibalik natin ang papuri at pasasalamat doon sa nagbigay sa atin ng buhay.
Now I'm walking free. I've got the victory. See, it's all over me. I'm so glad he changed me. See, I'm now a new creation in Christ. The old is gone. The old is gone. There's new life. I live by faith. I live by faith, not by sight. There is a new name written down in glory, and it's mine. Yes, it's mine. I met Jesus. I met the
Lord gave us every day. Bawat umaga, gumigising tayo na meron tayong paningin. So minsan, it is a good thing that we are reminded, kaya po tayo mayroong Bible study, para mapaalalahanan tayo. Dahil tayo mga tao, ang kala natin, ang gagaling na natin. Kala natin, alam na natin ang lahat. But there in fact, parang binigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng karunungan niya, 1% lang. And the rest na hindi natin alam lahat ng Panginoon. Tapos, the flesh is weak, but the spirit is always willing. We need to make sure we do most of the time ibigay natin sa Panginoon. Kasi hindi po tayo citizen dito, we are citizens in heaven. Kung ba napupunta ang oras natin? Napupunta po ba yung oras natin sa Panginoon? O sa mga bagay na nakaka-distract sa atin? Because whatever distracts us, it actually shapes us. Hindi yung humuhukom sa atin. Kasi we are a vessel nalagyanan nga po tayo ng Panginoon. So that is why we need to always empty ourselves para madami tayo ng Panginoon. But if the Lord, kung ano yung nais mo, yun ang mangyayari. And allow me, O Lord, to understand and accept the things that I cannot change. And to submit to your will. Because to give what belongs to Caesar, and you give what belongs to God's kingdom. Para sa Panginoon. Because if we are not doing it, we are robbing God of the time that He has given us. Kung ganun natin alagaan yung phone natin, mas lalo dapat po natin alagaan yung salita ng Panginoon. So again, I will ask you the question. May oras ka ba sa Diyos? O may Diyos ka lang kapag may oras ka?
Let the author of my story